Hi everyone! Welcome to the Empath Tarot Case. Another love reading. Timeless and general. Take what resonates lang po. Maybe some part of the reading makaresonate kayo, some part of it hindi. Tignan natin ngayon kung anong love connections, lessons in life, and guidance ang ating mababatid for this reading. Spirit, can send me more messages? Send me messages about these connections, love connections. Send me messages about your guidance. Can you send me more messages, Spirit Guide? Four of Cups, the Lovers, Six of Cups, Seven of Wands, Five of Wands, King of Wands, Seven of Swords, Ace of Swords, Justice, the Devil. And, ayan, ito yung the Devil. Ito natin lagay si the Devil. Ayan. Oh, may Devil. Alam na kapag may Devil, di ba? Tapos, meron pang Seven of Swords, Five of Wands. So, ibig sabihin nito, you are in a relationship or your person is cheating on you, lying on you. Your person do not tell you the truth. Puro kasinungalingan. Maraming itinatagong kasinungalingan sa iyo that you don't deserve. Kaya yun yung pinag-aawayan ninyo. Kasi maaaring nabubuko mo siya, yung mga kalokohan niya. At yun yung pinag-aawayan ninyo. Wala na, complicated na ang inyong relasyon. Because your person keeps cheating on you. Sakit, diba? Because when you love that person, when that person loves you, he will not give you any reason for you to be hurt. Siguro may mga dahilan lang na makakapanakit siya sa iyo na hindi niya sinasadya. Ayun yung kailangan niyang gumawa ng mahalagang desisyon na masasacrifice lang ang inyong relasyon. Pero for a valid reason. Pero yung reason na mag-cheat sa'yo, that's not a valid reason. Sasabihin, mahal ka naman niya. Mahal, pero bakit ginagawa kang saktan? Bakit ginagawa kang lokohin, diba? When you are in that kind of relationship, you better cut off the cord. Putulin mo na yung ugnayan ninyo. Dahil masasaktan ka lang, especially kung yung taong yun ay hindi naman nagbabago. Especially kung patuloy ka lang nagdurusa sa relasyon na yon. It becomes toxic. Well, I can sense here, because nandito si Justice, diba, matitimbang muna sa puso't isipan mo. Ano ba? Kasi minsan, kapag hindi matimbang, kapag hindi pareho, yan, yung timbangan, diba, dapat kasi ang puso't isipan, pantayan. Kapag puro puso ang pinaiiral, puro emosyon, puro damdamin, kahit nasa mali na, kahit hindi nasa tama, kahit hindi na mabuti, kahit hindi na maganda, diba? Ang nangyayari, nasasaktan ka lang. Pero kapag pinairal mo, pantay ang puso at isipan, alam mong you feel good about your relationship, you are being valued. Kapag alam mo that that person loves you, do not cheats on you. Kapag nararamdaman mo siya at nandiyan din sa isipan mo that you are secured, At kung ano man yung mga nagiging problema ninyo ay inyong inaayos pareho. Diba? Pantay yung isip at saka yung damdamin mo. You do not overthink, you do not feel insecure, you do not feel any doubts. You feel good. You stay in love. Kaya naman yung Ace of Swords dito gives you clarity about the kind of relationship that you have with this toxic person. Syempre, kapag lumayo ka na sa taong to or nagkalayo kayo ng taong to, minsan hindi maiiwasan na isipin siya. Diba? Palagi na lang siya yung laman ng nasa isip mo because sobra kang nasaktan dahil sobra kang nagmahal. Na hindi mo na pinapansin yung ibang tao dyan sa paligid mo, hindi mo binibigyan na ng parang pagkakataon yung sarili mo to be happy. Because you just keep thinking that person that hurts you. Pero ang mangyayari dito, dahil mahal ka ni God, the universe has better plans para sa'yo. Meron siyang ipapakilala sa yung someone that is passionately desires you, that is passionately in love with you, someone who will be there for you. Siya yung soulmate mo, ibinigay sa'yo ng universe, binigay sa'yo ni God to pursue you. Siya yung someone na pwedeng mas nakababata sa'yo, pero mature mag-isip at mapagmahal and very passionate. Siya yung soulmate mo. Siya yung maaaring inilaan sa iyo ng universe that it makes you feel better. It makes you feel good every day. It makes you feel being cared of. It makes you feel being valued. It makes you feel that you are loved. Your soulmate. Because your soul, eto nga nakikita nyo yung yellow or golden energy na yan. At the same time, yung energy naman dito na green, it connects and it binds you together. That is your soul. Your soul energy binds you together. At yung pentacle dito, meaning, it gives you security, it gives you stability. Yung lovers na to means soul binding. Kaya sometimes if you are in that kind of relationship, toxic relationship, you better get out of that connection in order for you to start to heal, to start to love yourself, and the universe will take care of your heart. And the universe will lead you to the right one, to the right person, and that is your soulmate. Okay? So, yun lang po. Maraming salamat po for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Facebook and TikTok. Have a good day po and God bless.